Hey guys, standing in front of my pool here to talk to you about this submersible pump. It's a 3/4 horse submersible pump that is perfect for pools, ponds, ditches, pits, anywhere that you need to pump water out of. This is your solution. This pump can drain water as low as 4/10 of an inch, and it can clear dirt or debris up to 2/10 of an inch. So that's a significantly large chunk of a rock or something that it can clean up. It has a 1.5 inch discharge hose and a max flow rate of 3,500 gallons an hour. This can shoot a stream of water 30 feet in the air. I don't know that we're going to get to that, but we are going to see how it works. All right, so here's the pump. A couple features right off the bat. You have a 26-foot cord, a handle. This is not your handle. This pump should never be lifted or carried by this cord. You either lift it from the handle, or it comes with 26 feet of rope that you can connect to the handle to lower it and raise it, which is what we're going to do today. As soon as you plug it in, it's on. There's no automatic off. There's no, it's going to turn off after so long. So if you have a big job, plug it in and it'll continue to work until that water gets below that 4/10 of an inch. Inside, there's a check valve that prevents water from going back into the pump. So that's a good feature. And we are going to hook it up here. So we've got the elbow. Elbow goes right here. You want this elbow straight up and down. On it right now is the hose connector, so you can attach a hose to it. And then this is a different connection that's just gonna shoot the water straight up and down, which is what I'm gonna convert it to right now. Okay, so we are going to undo our cord. Okay, and I'm going to attach my rope so that I can lower it in, because again, I'm going to plug it in and it's going to be ready to go. So I'm going to lower it in. There's my rope. I want to make sure that that stays out there because that's how I'm going to ultimately lift it back out. My cord's in a little bit of a disarray, but I'm going to straighten that out. And I can walk this away from the pool to get it plugged in. There she is. I'm holding on to the handle right now. Showing that it's a lot of water getting pumped real quick.